Welcome to the Learning Center. Today, we'll be talking about Apple CarPlay and how to easily connect, go online, and start earning. With the addition of a second, larger screen, seeing directions and navigating just got a whole lot clearer. Let's get started. First, open up the driver app on your iPhone, then connect to CarPlay. You can do this using a cord or wirelessly in your iPhone settings. Once connected, the driver app will appear on your CarPlay screen, showing heat maps, highlighting busy locations, and search spots in the area. To start earning, tap Go on your iPhone. As a reminder, going online can only be done from your phone. When getting matched to an upcoming trip, a panel will appear on your car's screen with details about the trip for you to accept or decline. Accepting will show route details and begin the navigation to the rider's pickup location. Once you're there, select Start Trip to begin the ride. Turn-by-turn directions will then guide you to the drop-off location. While on a trip, you'll be able to receive future ride requests. By accepting, you'll be able to add rides to your queue. When you get to the drop-off location, a new panel will pop up prompting you to complete the trip. And when you're done for the day, simply tap the Go Offline button on your iPhone and disconnect your device. That's it! Now you're ready to start navigating with Apple CarPlay. Thanks for watching.